Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Turkey became a drone superpower. We'll explore the key factors that propelled its rapid rise in unmanned aerial vehicle technology. From early strategic decisions to significant investments in local manufacturing, Turkey built a formidable defense sector. This journey involved overcoming initial challenges and fostering a strong ecosystem for innovation, leading to impressive advancements in drone capabilities. A major force behind this success is Baykar Defense, creators of the renowned Bayraktar TB2. This drone, known for its impressive 27-hour flight endurance and over 27,000 feet service ceiling, has been a game changer. Other companies like Aselsan contribute vital components, including advanced electro-optical systems and targeting pods. This collaborative effort within the domestic industry has been instrumental in developing sophisticated drone technology. Turkey's drones have been strategically deployed in numerous conflicts, demonstrating their effectiveness in reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strikes. Their combat-proven performance has significantly enhanced Turkey's military capabilities and geopolitical influence. This operational success has also fueled substantial export demand, with over 30 countries reportedly interested in or acquiring Turkish drones, further cementing Turkey's status as a global drone power. Looking ahead, Turkey is not resting on its laurels. The nation continues to heavily invest in developing next-generation drone technologies, including advanced stealth capabilities and artificial intelligence integration. The focus remains on pushing the boundaries of unmanned systems, ensuring sustained innovation, and maintaining a competitive edge. This ongoing commitment to research and development promises even more sophisticated drones in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.